Hi, this is Miss Megsy, and today I'm going to be filming an After Dark Speed Clean with me. I timed myself for an hour, and then I went like 15 minutes over that. This was filmed after Valentine, so that'll explain some of the mess you see, and enjoy. So I like to start off by doing my essential oils. I'm doing the lavender blend in this. I really wanted to do just a quick after dark clean with me, simply because I'd been out that day and was really tired, and it was Valentine's Day, and I just wanted to wake up the next morning and not have a huge mess on my hands. If you're wondering what those stains on my table are, it's acrylic paint from a previous project with my kids. I'm gonna have to scrape those off at a later date, but for now I'm just gonna wipe down my table. Is actually a dish detergent. It's really great. It smells nice like cotton linen. I love it. That one came from QVC. I'm not sure if you can get it off Amazon though. I have a counter spray from the same company that's lavender vanilla. That one's called Cotton Breeze. And then I also have a different kind of like granulated all-purpose cleaner that I use for the sinks, and that one just has a nice light airy floral fragrance smell. So now my kitchen is nice and clean enough for me to wake up to in the morning. I won't be mopping because that would take too long, and I wanted to make this quick. And I'm also not throwing out my recycling because it was already late at night and I just didn't want to have to go outside. So this big huge mess you see on my living room floor is all due to class Valentines. They left a much bigger mess than I had anticipated. And they were already asleep, so I wasn't going to bug them and have them come pick it up. have these really pretty silver candle holders, and they're technically a Christmas item, and that's why they kind of look like a Christmas tree like stump. And I was wondering, do you think that these could be left out year-round, or should I just put them away till next fall or Christmas? Tell me what you think in the comments. So I'm going to actually put away my Christmas blankets permanently. I won't be vacuuming the living room tonight because everyone was asleep and I just didn't want to wake anybody up. Well, my living room and my dining room and my kitchen are nice and clean, and I know when I wake up tomorrow, it won't be the kind of headache that it would have been otherwise had I just ignored it. I will be mopping and vacuuming and throwing away all the trash and recycling in the next morning. It was already really late and I just didn't want to make more noise than necessary. If you like this video and you want to see it again, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.